In front of me is Motorola Edge Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app. This one, called Voice Recorder Voice Memos. When it's ready, launch it. Hit continue, choose I agree twice, tap on while using the app, close and add, and click on this red button at the bottom to start. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To delete your recording right away, hit discard, and to end it and save it, choose save. Now you can rate recording or hit not now and listen to it here. You can manage it using all of those options. Then click at the top left corner, close and add, and access list of all your recordings over here. If you want to play one, click on it, and if you want to delete it, hold it and click on this bin at the bottom or tap on those three dots on the right and choose delete over here. Then tap on delete in the pop-up and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!